On paper, a chip boss talking nuclear power and the Chinese phone letting an AI run the home screen are unrelated. In reality, they are the same plotline. The control point is shifting to inference and the operating system. Everyone is cheering fresh benchmarks. My read is different. Pricing power will accrue to whoever owns runtime, not training. Hey friend, it's Friday, December 5th, 2025. The theme today is direct. AI is re-platforming around inference and OS level agents. Jensen Huang just reframed the scoreboard. He pushed inference time scaling to the foreground and said the quiet part out loud on energy. Data centers may need small nuclear reactors. He also forecasted a huge share of knowledge will be machine generated within a couple of years. Found the lens, this moves your priority list. Shift your roadmaps from bigger models to cheaper, faster, and more predictable inference. Pre-compute and cache aggressively. Compile graphs, quantize, route to smaller models by default, and burst to premium modes only when needed. If you operate at scale, start treating power as a supply chain. Explore long-term energy contracts and place workloads near reliable capacity. If inference is the product, energy is a feature. Because runtime is the battlefield, Google is carving out a premium lane. Gemini DeepThink just rolled to paying users and reportedly edges OpenAI's latest on novel reasoning tests. It explores multiple hypotheses in parallel, then reconciles. Using our framework here, the signal is that state-of-the-art is fragmenting into specialized modes for high-value tasks. The noise is the leaderboard boasting. The second-order effect is practical. Procurement and product design will unbundle into routing policies that pick the cheapest mode that passes a domain-specific test, not the biggest brand name. Expect pricing to tilt toward per task or per minute premiums for reasoning lanes, while general chat gets commoditized. Your mode becomes orchestration, evals, and data flywheels, not a single model choice. 90% of global knowledge will be AI generated within 2 to 3 years. That is Jensen Huang on the JRE podcast. Somewhere, a knowledge management vendor just spilled their coffee. Meta is reportedly cutting spend on the metaverse to pour headcount and compute into AI. Bull case, capital discipline, focusing on the only line with near-term growth. Bear case, a costly pivot after years of burn, with no clear platform edge. My take, this is a talent and silicon reallocation that tightens the hiring market for inference engineers and eval specialists, and it telegraphs that distribution will happen through messaging and OS hooks, not virtual real estate. If you are building, recruit for runtime optimization and agent reliability right now. While giants redirect budgets, the platform layer is moving under your feet. ZTE demoed a phone with a ByteDance agent at the OS. Full control over phone functions means the app grid becomes a suggestion, not a destination. Distribution shifts from icons to intents. Designed for agent calls, deep links, and background permissions. Think plugins and contracts, not standalone apps. If your mode is, we have an app, prepare a new plan. Enterprise reliability is catching up to the hype. OpenAI acquired Neptune AI to strengthen internal debugging and training infrastructure. Perplexity open source is prompt injection detector, which sets a baseline. If you sell agents to enterprises, you now ship logs, red teaming, and injection guards by default, or you will not pass procurement. The question I keep circling, as inference and OS agents become the platform, who captures the margin, the model vendor, the OS owner, or the company holding the power contract? I'm Ting Yan, and this is Chain of Thought. Have a tip or a story we should cover? Send it our way. Cheers, Ting Yan. See you tomorrow.